Title: The Secret Book of Prosperity. Once upon a time, in a serene village, there lived a young girl named Maya. Every morning, she would wander through the lush forest near her home, feeling the breeze gently brush her face. One day, she discovered a mysterious old book lying beneath a tree. Curious, Maya began to explore the book's pages, which were filled with enigmatic symbols and ancient stories. Suddenly, a bright light illuminated the forest around her, revealing a hidden path. Excited, she decided to venture down the path to uncover its secrets. Along the way, Maya met a wise old man who told her that the book held the power to bring prosperity to her village if she could solve its riddles. Determined, she promised to return with the knowledge that could help everyone live happily ever after.
10 vocabulary words with Hindi meaning. Sareen शांत, सुखद. Wander घूमना. Breeze हवा, हल्की ठंडी हवा. Mysterious रहस्यमय. Explore खोजना, जांचना. Enigmatic पहेली जैसा, रहस्यमय. Illuminate प्रकाशित करना, रोशनी देना. Venture साहस करके जाना. Prosperity समृद्धि, खुशहाली. Determined दृढ़ निश्चय, पक्का मन वाला. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.